Good morning, my dear students. Today I'm just going to discuss about a particular kinds of debated topic. It's a very important debate. The debated topic, you just listen it very carefully, and if you don't understand that particular kinds of debate, you go to ask to me. You can ask to me. The name of the topic of the debated item is name of the debated topic is that PUBG game is PUBG or PUBG game it should be banned or not. It's the debated topic item. So you see that just first I'm just going to introduce with that particular persons who are present in this group. So first of all, who are you? You just tell your name and your just bit of address, little bit of address through the sentences.
My name is Nilachal Pachanda. I live in Sonjapara Civil Housing. This is my address.
Okay, Nilachal is there.
And my name is Sanjay Bhattacharjee. I live in at Laldigipara, Shivri Birbhum.
My name is Ranjan Kora.
Okay, Ranjan Koda. Okay, thank you. This I'm Manik Das. I'm just anchoring that particular kinds of debated items. Let's see that who is present in this. One participant is also there. So I trying to show the participant present for the Manik Das. I'm just going to anchor that particular concept here about the PUBG game. Okay, now we're just really coming to that particular concept topic. That what do you think actually? I see that in the market, some people, especially some young boys and journalists, found to sit in a particular kinds of place and shouting loudly with the playing of the games. They are having so rapt attention. They give the rapt attentions in that particular kinds of game playing with the huge concentration that it is if somebody calls to you, that they would not able to care their calls, and if any particular kinds of accident gets happen, but they are so much interested that they would never rush to that particular place to help that victim that who is affected by the accident. It happens, all happens for the immense concentrations giving on the PUBG game. So, but right now, or it's a Chinese app, so it has been banned. So my queries to the participants who are present here in that particular debated group, my query to you, all of you, that why the people are very much interested. I just wanted to show you some reasons. Okay, forget about first showing the reasons. First, I want to get your concept about that why the people are too much tremendously interested to play the PUBG games. First of all, I would like to get your remarks, and after according to your remarks concept, I would start the questions. Okay. First, I'm coming to Sandip. Sandip, do you have any kind of concept about that? Why the people are too much interested to play that particular kinds of games of PUBG? According to your concept, you may proceed now.
Okay, good morning, my respected sir and my dear student. PUBG is a Chinese mobile game, and it is very interesting for some people and students. Mostly the students are addicted by it, and
Okay.
PUBG is a death game. Many people died for it, and the school students or college students want to meaning with the game. So they thought the PUBG happened in the real life, and then they faced to death. So now the Indian government banned this game for the good side of the students, and some students left the studies and all time played the PUBG. And
Okay, Sandeep, I got your point of view that according to your individual concept, it has been very clear that the game is so interesting that the people are participating the game, the people are playing in the game with so interested, so interesting mood that sometimes they are committed to suicide. They don't think about that, but the fact is that it's such a kind of game where there is nothing any kinds of profit and loss. They are not getting any kinds of hard copy things like not getting any kinds of money, not getting any kinds of materials, not getting any kinds of other things. Only it is the things whatever they are getting, it is generally cannot be touched. It's like a soft copy. They are seeing, they are observing that particular kinds of picture in the view in the screen of the mobile. But I don't find out the why the people are tremendously interested to only to see the picture. Nilachal, do you have the answer from the scientific point of view? I got that particular kinds of concept. So Nilachal, I just wish to ask you that do you have any kinds of answer about that particular kinds of view?
First, I wish to tell that I have very low concept about PUBG game, but whatever I know from my smaller uncle, he plays PUBG, and one time I saw his mobile, and then I saw that he before him, sorry, in front him there are many kinds of enemies, I think, and
Okay.
my smaller uncle has a gun,
Yes, sir.
any gun. I don't know the name of the gun.
AK-47.
I think.
Okay.
I think. Then my smaller uncle kill those kinds of enemies, and after the end of the game, alive, I think one enemy. Then he killed him, and he got chicken dinner.
Hmm.
I think. So and all time he plays, but after ban this game, there are many kinds of peoples are leave the PUBG game, and their addictness is getting very low. So that's my concept.
Okay, from Nilachal, your individual point of view, it's very interesting. It's looking that after getting owned, when the people own by playing the PUBG game, they are offered the chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. So chicken dinner, but it's a soft copy. You are not actually able to eat it. You are not actually able to touch it, and you are not actually able to eat it, consume it. So I don't understand, being very mature also in this stage, why the people behave like a child that they easily forget it. They don't understand that particular chicken dinner, what is being offered to them, it would not be consumed. It would be only like a picture. So I can also see the picture like chicken. I can also see the Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore's Nobel Prize also. So what is the value of seeing the picture, and why? Only for that reasons, only seeing that particular kinds of picture, why the people are tremendously interested. Sandeep, do you have any kinds of answer against my query?
Yes, sir. Because you thought that it is not really, it is a soft copy of chicken dinner or any prizes, but the people who plays the game, they thought they have an addiction like drugs, wine, etc. So they played and thought that it is a real chicken dinner. So they played.
Okay, for the another important issues, I'm just getting turned that for our coronavirus COVID-19, this game has already been banned because of thinking like the China's apps. So actually, is it right? What do you think? If you don't about, you may also discuss about that. That PUBG game is really good or bad for to be continued. What is your opinion?
No, sir. I think the government is best because he banned the game, because the game is a death game. Many people died at this game, and if the game will go in the same process, so some people or many people will die about it. So I think it is best the government ban, and I think the government is banned the PUBG game in this,
Should ban.
should ban the PUBG game in this time because it is a corona issue. So it is
Okay, now finally I just coming to Nilachal. So Nilachal, what's your individual point of view that the government is right? So government has already banned that particular kinds of PUBG game. So what do you think that the government is really very right for making the game stop, or do you have something different issues? Which of the particular individual angle you are just observing that particular kinds of matter, you just have to analyze it.
Okay, I think that government is very right to that PUBG is banned it, because PUBG is a dead game. We all know, and when I open YouTube, there are many kinds of videos in PUBG. YouTube is filling with PUBG videos. No interesting videos, no educational videos. So PUBG band is very good for our life also. And so that's all.
Okay, thank you. We have already very fantastically discussed about the particular topic of PUBG game. It's a very debated topic. Lots of thanks to the speakers, to the participants who have already present. This is Ranjan Kura, this Sandeep, you have thanked a lot of, this Nilachal Prachanda, you are also thanked a lot of, and Buddhadev is also there. So I would like to give you a special thanks to Buddha for participating. Now you just able to see that in the next episode we will also come with a different kinds of debated topic, and I think that today all participants are very happy for participating in the debate, and next issue will also come with different kinds of numerous interesting debate. So thank you for watching that particular kinds of videos, and special thanks if you like that particular kinds of video, just like it and give your valuable comment and share to the all your friends and families. Thanks a lot of for watching this particular kinds of video. Thanks.